Hello friends, I'm your Excel tutor. Today we are going to discuss about a very funny trick with the Excel that you can also try it. That funny trick is that how from the name we can easily get the religion of the person and the gender of the person. Okay, so like this one we are going to use this one Excel trick. So if you want to get the gender of your friend, then you can just write down here his or her name, like automatically the Excel will provide you what gender that person have. Okay, so that Gagan, that is Hindu, religion his, and the male gender it's. So if I am just change this one, then it will automatically change the gender, that is Sikh, and the its religion is automatically changes from Hindu to Sikh. So if I will write down here Ranjit, then once again Ranjit is Sikh and male. Okay, so let's try the next one. Prinka, Hindu, that is a female. Okay, so that Gansham, Hindu and male. Okay, so Mohit, Hindu and male. Okay, so the next I have made this one small Excel trick, that for this Excel trick I have made a one sheet which consists of a total to 2500, 25 near about 2500s participant are 2500s, that names are given in this full data table. Okay, so if you want to get the any other name like Harbir, it will automatically give us the name of that. If I will write down here Harbir Singh, then automatically it will be Harbir Singh, that is a male which is belonging to Sikh category. Okay, so like this one we can easily make a simple Excel funny sheet with which you can easily just check the gender of your friend for making the fun. Okay, so that different names are given in this. If you like to my video, if you want to learn how I have made this one, which kind of formula we are using here for this one Excel funny trick, then you have to like it and share it with your friends. Whenever the 100 like of this video will be there, so then at that time I will make a